What did you think about the thunderstorm last night?
I think that it was beautiful.
Was it scary?
Yeah, it was scary, but a little. I trusted you.
You trusted me.
Yeah?
Was it loud?
Yeah,
How loud?
really loud.
What's behind the clouds?
Rain.
Yeah. And when the thunder was going away and it was rumbling, what was it doing?
It was coming away.
What was it looking for? Hmm?
Oranges.
It was hungry?
Mm.
What does God think about the thunderstorms?
Happy.
What does the lightning and the thunder do? Can you show me with your hands? What about the thunder? And the lightning? Was the thunder so loud you couldn't hear Daddy doing what?
Yeah. I couldn't hear Daddy.
You couldn't hear him snoring? So do you think you have to be afraid of thunderstorms?
Yes.
No, because who's with you all the time?
Oh, God.
Okay, so you don't need to be afraid, right? Right?
Wait.
Do you have anything else to say?
No.
No? Okay, say bye-bye.